All right. Think I'm doing this in a higher resolution. I will check later. But hey, since yesterday got screwed up, we are back to what is today? Wednesday? Is it Wednesday already? No, it's got to be Tuesday. We're back to my Monday schedule. Cleaning this nasty floor. And then, if I can find the tool, I'm going to start pulling this really crappy linoleum up. And maybe I will get my inspection done on my truck. I am worried about the brakes, about, let's see. One of my doors doesn't lock. My tires, and my driver's side mirror because it's broken and being held on with a zip tie currently until I have money to buy my tow mirrors. But we'll be back. All right, this is after a good vacuum job. Looks a lot better. This doesn't look like it's focusing. There we go, that's better. Yeah, definitely a lot better. Now, let's see if we can get this nasty crap out of here. All right, look at that. It is looking so much better already. But you can definitely smell the cat pee. So hopefully I do this a few more times. I'm using not straight vinegar with water because that neutralizes it really well. I'm going to do a couple more rounds on this and you can see how gnarly this water looks. Holy crap. So there we go. We'll get this done. Wow! Look at that! It is so much cleaner. Still smells a little, but I'm going to let this vinegar solution that I put down here soak for a while. And then I'm going to use the regular scented Rug Doctor soapy stuff and do a couple more runs. But so far, that is looking so much better and smelling so much better up here. So I'm very happy with this. Hey, we got the gloves on and the mask on and the glasses on. I really need to get prescription safety glasses. But that's because of the kitchen. Anyways, I'll say that in a minute. Look at this. It's drying. Still looks kind of gnarly, but definitely not nearly as bad as it was. Definitely need to go over this area a few more times. But we'll come into the kitchen. We will start with the good news first. You can see I've gotten a lot of this shitty flooring linoleum up. All along here and in here. I believe all of this was already done from before and back there. But this linoleum is probably from the 50s. And it may have asbestos in it. That's why I'm wearing the mask. But this is going really slow, and we have a problem. Look at this. That blade is broken. That's the second one I put on. And let's put this thing down. You can see here and here the little holder thing has broken off. Look at that. Now, let's see if I can hold all this crap. Let's be dramatic. Because this is garbage. Garbage. So, I'm going to head to the Harbor Freight, see if I can get a wide paddle attachment for my air hammer, and see if that'll work better. If not, I'll probably end up buying another one of those. But we'll see. We shall head to the store. Alright, so we're back. Not sure how well this is recording, but this is the tool I got. That's a ball joint separator. I'm going to use that to hopefully scrape up the floor. If this doesn't work, there's one other tool I was going to buy. It's a 4-inch wide chisel for an air chisel, which has a different attachment than this, so it won't work with my air hammer. This will. I have a couple other attachments for it as well. Hopefully that will all work. But I wanted to come out here in closing and show you how fish are doing. This is going to be the light fixture for the planted tank. It's 3 T8s. Needs new bulbs and apparently needs to be cleaned up. Didn't realize that. And I need to modify it a little more. It's all stuff that I have reclaimed from other projects. But as you can see, I think the lace plant has grown massive. The Anubis Nana is growing pretty well. Shrimps, snails. The banana plant is still alive. This is the longest I've had one alive. There's a few large guppies somewhere in here, but you can see my lotus is still alive. I think it needs more light. But this here, I forget what that plant is growing really well. And the onion plant back there is growing well. And everything else over here is pretty much the same and growing like a weed, which is awesome. I think I forgot to water that. But everything else is looking the same. Ooh, excuse me, we'll come over here. Spider plant, always good. This, I don't know. I don't see this one leaking anymore. Definitely need to clean the glass. You can see. And you can see I have the pothos coming out of this one as well. This is the drain for the tank. Over there is where the water comes in. I have the heater over there, so you can see the cord. You can see the big guy there. And that's about it because I don't have... Oh. You can kind of see that big guy. Probably should have turned the flashlight on. And you can see one back there. The rest are hiding too much and I don't have a light. Oh. The Syndontis, which is also really hard to see with the way the light is. That's alright. There are 2 more fish. Don't think you can see him. I will try and turn up the brightness. And then there's one right down here somewhere, the armored catfish. It's a spotted Raphael. Clicks and clacks whenever you pick him up and chirps. Kinda mean too. But that's it for today. Peace out and keep trying new things.